2006.
Audi TT 2006 with a very common steering lock fault. The car just started, but it cannot be turned off. So the key is stuck, car running, and the key does not turn to off position. So I'm gonna fix it, hopefully. So the plastics are out, the key still doesn't turn. Now I have to take off this and those two screws, that one and that one. Yeah, so I have to turn the engine off, and the only way is just to kill it. Ta-da! Okay. Ta-da! The thing is out without removing the steering wheel, and this is your problem. Ta-da! This one is the faulty one, goes into the bin. This is the new one, goes onto the car. So it's back on the car, key turning fine. Nothing wrong in the battery in the key. No, this is a mechanical fault. Yeah, ta-da! I'll put everything back. All done. Vroom, vroom. This will go off in a sec. Up.
Oh wow. Okay.
Nope. We have to move the car for a bit and those will go off.
Oh, okay.
That's it. Remote working. Locks, unlocks. And the car runs. Yay.
Finally, eh? Thanks for that, bud.
Yay.